In this lesson, we're looking at Python comments. Comments are pieces of code that are for the programmer's use, not for the use of the code. It's ignored by the code. We use comments to document our code in multiple ways. We can do both single and multi-line comments, and there's also a special comment called a to-do, which is useful when annotating your code to work on in the future. You can also use comments to help debug by basically turning off lines of code. So anytime you put in a comment, Python is going to ignore that comment. So we use it to describe what the code does and provide other references for the coder. Often a program is going to spend a lot longer in production than it is in development, and you may have to go back and update it. Having clear comments explaining to you what sections of the code does makes the code significantly easier to update. So comments are to make code easier to understand for you or whoever else comes to help debug the code or improve the code later. It's to help in debugging, and it's a team collaboration tool. To do a single line comment, and you can do this at the end of the line or as a line unto itself, it is a hashtag. With multi-line comments, these are considered doc strings. You can use triple apostrophes or triple quotes, and that will actually allow you to create documentation for your program. So you can again have the comment at the end of the code that's considered an inline comment, and you can comment out blocks of code using control and the slash sign, which is really helpful in debugging. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this in programming.